And welcome back to another video. I really wish I didn't have to make this video for some of you in the danger zone for these upcoming storms, but today I'm going to be doing a look on the SPC Day 3 categorical outlook and problematic outlook. And this will be for Saturday. It says valid through Friday through Saturday, so that's the times you'll start to see severe weather. Okay, and for our enhanced risk in the categorical outlook, we have Indianapolis, Indiana, St. Louis, Missouri, Cincinnati, Ohio, Louisville, Kentucky, Dayton, Ohio, and in the slight risk, we have Columbus, Ohio, Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, Lexington and Fayette, Kentucky, and Little Rock, Arkansas. And in the marginal, we have Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Dallas, Texas, Austin, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, and Baltimore, Maryland. And then the SPC put, there's an enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms southeast and southeast Missouri to southern Illinois/Indiana, southwest Ohio, and portions of western to northern Kentucky. Summary: severe thunderstorms are expected across middle Mississippi and Ohio Valley region Friday afternoon and evening. All severe hazards are possible with this activity. More isolated severe thunderstorms will extend southwestward into northeast Texas and northeast into the mid-Atlantic. And it also reads, an upper trough over the southern high plains will pivot quickly east-northeast across the Midwest on Friday. As this occurs, strong mid to upper level southwesterly flow will overspread the region with a 500 millibar jet around 70 to 90 KT forecast. At the surface, a very moist air mass will be in place from southern Missouri into southern Illinois and northeast into Ohio. Increasing southern low-level jet flow ahead of a surface cold front will allow a warm front roughly along the I-70 corridor at mid-morning to lift north toward the northern Illinois, Indiana, Ohio range. It will go through that range throughout the afternoon. Cooling aloft will result in steep mid-level LASP rates atop the mid to upper level 60 degrees dew points surface warm sector, resulting in strong destabilization. Okay, and now if we go to problematic, we have on the problematic, we have the significant severe 30%, 15%, and 5%. So, in the significant to severe is Indianapolis, Indiana, St. Louis, Missouri, Cincinnati, Ohio, Louisville, Kentucky, and Dayton, Ohio. And in the 30% range, Indianapolis, Indiana, St. Louis, Missouri, Cincinnati, Ohio, Louisville, Kentucky, and Dayton, Ohio again. And then in the 15% is Columbus, Ohio, Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, Lexington, and Fayette, Kentucky, and Little Rock, Arkansas. And then the 5% is Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Dallas, Texas, Austin, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, and Baltimore, Maryland. And then the text reads for the problematic, a low-level jet around 45 to 65 KT is forecast to overspread the region from peak heating into the evening, consistent with increasing large-scale ascent, both the eastward advancing cold front/dry line across Missouri, and the warm front vicinity will be a focus for convective inundation. One or more bowing clusters is possible. In addition to discrete supercells, given vertically veering supercells wind profiles, significant severe storms appear possible with a risk for all hazards that accompany this activity, including very large hail, tornadoes, and intense wind gusts. The southward extent of highest severe potential is a bit uncertain given the orientation of surface boundaries and potential overnight convection in the day 2/Thursday time period impacting parts of the Kentucky vicinity. With southwest extent, severe potential is a bit more uncertainty/potential. Some minor height rises may occur across Texas and into the Arkansas area during the late afternoon into evening. Large-scale ascent will be weaker, and any capping may be more difficult to overcome. Nevertheless, a very moist and unstable air mass will be in place amid supercell wind profiles. If storms can develop, very large hail and strong wind gusts will be possible. And that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for tuning in. It means a lot, and I hope all of you guys that are in the danger zone stay safe. And if you want to keep up to date with the updates on the outlooks, go to spc.noaa.gov outlook, /outlook, and you'll see what I see. But thank you so much for listening to me, and I appreciate you coming by, and hope to see you again next time.